recording. Hello again. This is Cav CAV, also CA Vision, um, full name Croydon Accessibility Vision. Please visit the website. It's so important that you visit the website. The website is www.cavision.org. You can also get to the website by typing in .org.uk or .co.uk. Um, this website is still in its early days. It's still in its build process. I'm doing some of the work to get the website going. I have been assisted as well. But then at the same time, I'm having someone look at building a completely accessible website. At present, it has a forum link to it. So from an outside source, a third-party website, it has a forum, discussion forum. It has access to Twitter. We can have voice-to-voice conversations on Skype as well. So set that up, and of course YouTube, which is where I'm going to be listening to this from. This is about Croydon, London, United Kingdom. But then everybody is welcome to input their opinion and views as well as advise us on what this website should be looking at and some of the things we need to be focusing on. At the moment, it's about vision impairment. I've got a vision impairment myself. I'm registered blind, and I have got a primary condition, a neurological condition, which can cause all forms of issues as well. But let's focus on the visual impairment. Today, I'm wanting to just direct your attention to an email I received a while ago now, about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And I'm only mentioning it now because I've only just got into a position recently anyway where I can make this available to you online. It's a project being organized by the local authority, Croydon Council, that is, so Croydon local authority, which is focusing on visually disabled people, so people with physical disability, elderly people as well, and sensory loss as well, and I'm guessing learning difficulties as well. It's One thing I'd like to mention firstly, actually, was last year around about this time there was a strategic consultative session with a load of long names that was held, and I am actually still waiting for the outcome of that. So, Croydon Council, get your fingers out and do something. Do not just organize meetings and not give us solutions. Um, at the same time, CA Vision, Croydon Accessibility Vision, is trying to achieve some of what these guys were offering then, and I think that's what they're trying to achieve now. So, to the email I got. Okay, the email was received from a staff member of Croydon Council. He works for the Community Access Service. The Community Access Service are quite useful. They work specifically with people that have disabilities or forms of disabilities. They've worked with me, especially when I really needed them most. They helped me access the swimming facilities in the local community. They helped me access the gym as well. I still go to their sessions, but I'm just not able to swim at the moment, which I really would like to, for reasons I'll leave out of this session. Um, as well as do exercises in the gym at the intensity I like to. Um, so, and then I've been fishing with them as well. In fact, they took me fishing. I always wanted to go fishing, but I just never got around to it. I guess also because I just didn't know where to start. I knew nothing about fishing, didn't have any rods or know anything about fishing really. I did do fishing when I was in Nigeria. I lived in Nigeria as a kid as well. Okay, so the email starts. Left parent, no subject, right parent. So it's being read by JAWS, a screen reader software, as some of you would know. It says no subject. So first point item to point out to the writer of this email: please, 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 when you send a disabled or visually impaired person, especially an email, tell me what it's about in the subject. I don't want to have to read the entire email before I know what it's about. Okay, so
Blank. Table with two column from colon.
then that's the name of the chap that sent it.
29 September
That's when I
2009.
received it. So that's myself. So I'm going to fly through the other names that received the emails as well.
Blank. Community access service clickable.
So it says from the community access service. You may notice that the JAWS reads clickable. I think with Microsoft Hotmail or MSN Hotmail, it reads clickable where there are gaps and spaces. So spaces entered in the text, in paragraphs where sentences are being entered. So it reads those as clickable for whatever reason. So that's a bug with MSN Hotmail. So carrying on with the email.
Blank. There is a meeting coming up on Friday the 9th October you might like to be there for. The theme is to clickable. Agree the support needs that different categories clickable of users have the good aspects of the current support pathway and improvement opportunities. Lunch is provided and the venue is Fairfield Hall. Clickable.
Okay, so the event is going to be at Fairfield Halls. Fairfield Halls being a theatre and conference and event centre in Croydon. It's been around for a while, probably longer than I've been around, and I've been around for a while as well now, in fact. I think anyway. Other people think they've been around longer than me. It's going to be at the Fairfield Halls. Two have been had already. The next one is on Friday, 30th, so in about 3 days from today. Today being the 27th, 26th of October. Okay, so when Tuesday, 27th. Tuesday, 26th. 27th, yeah, it's 28th tomorrow. Of course, it makes sense. But anyway, moving back on. So, rest of the email.
Gallery.10-4 clickable. Blank. Would you like to come? Blank. The background to these meetings: older people and physical disability / sensory impairment division left parent Croydon Council right parent are undertaking a key project with clickable. The care service efficiency delivery team left parent do right parent which will enable us to develop the commissioning strategy for people with physical disabilities in Croydon. Clickable. This is an essential piece of work as it also has a focus on improving client outcomes and developing the cost efficiency of service provision. The central clickable theme of the project is to look at the various care and support pathways that are currently being experienced by people with physical disabilities and clickable sensory impairments and use those experiences to look at how services can be improved and how interfaces between key agencies that impact on the lives clickable.
I do not actually use any of these care or service pathways. Probably because I'm not aware of what's available to me. So that is one of the things I'd be wanted to point out at the sessions. Um, but it may then just be because I'm not eligible to any part of it. Um, but what they're saying there is they wanted to look at the services they offer elderly and disabled people at the moment, and where they can improve it, they'd like to, and things they're doing pretty well, they'd like to then retain and I guess improve on as well, where they can. So these sessions they wanted to put together will help them achieve that aim.
Of people with physical disabilities clickable blank. It is important to come to have your point of view heard and to hear what other people have to say. You may agree or not, but at least you can have your clickable say clickable blank. These are the other dates booked for this project. Clickable blank. Workshop theme clickable blank. Gaps and ideal pathway clickable blank. 30th October clickable
30th October.
blank. Design the ideal pathway and the range of support necessary to support the pathway, taking a user perspective and assuming there are no constraints, and compare clickable. This left quote ideal right